We are going to kick in the cute factor with day 6, red heart patterns for babies. So I just picked a few today, but let me tell you, there are a lot more out there. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the preemie hats. These are so cute and so tiny because they are for our little teeny tiny preemie babies, and those little babies need warmth, right? Best news about these is that they are a beginner skill level, so anybody can make these. And they're just so sweet. All right, let's move on to our next pattern. The next one is the newborn crochet layette set. So I love the little layette sets. They usually come with a sweater, a hat, and some booties. Occasionally they'll come with a little blanket as well, but I don't see a blanket for this one. We're just going to go ahead and open it up and take a look. Okay, so it looks like we're just going to get this one picture. I don't see any blanket. That's fine though. This skill level for this is also listed as easy, so this is probably pretty beginner friendly. This could be the first big project for the beginner crocheter. And of course, as always, you get to choose your own colors. They used the yarn called Red Heart Baby Hugs Light, so I bet that's really a soft yarn for the little babies. So I'm sure there's plenty of color options to choose from. It does come with the cozy sweater, hat, and booties. Stitch using Red Heart Baby Hugs and Light in the designed colors, or go with the more feminine or gender neutral shades. This lightweight yarn comes in an array of modern tones and has been tested safe from harmful events of over 300 substances, so crochet with confidence. Yeah, I like this. You know what? I think this would be really pretty in like a light yellow and a light gray. I just love those two colors together. All right, moving on. Okay, this next one is really cute. This is called the Red Heart Baby Bear Crochet Hoodie, and this is the 6-month pattern. Okay, so it says this crochet hoodie brings warmth and whimsy and red heart bunches of hugs prints. It's so cute. I love the little bear ears at the top. Very cute. This is listed as an easy for skill level, and it looks like it's made mostly with double crochet. You can see a little bit of the yarn right here, the colors that they used. It's really cute. Okay, let's see what we have next in the cute red heart baby stuff. Oh gosh, this one. Who could it be? The red heart owl baby hat. I've actually seen people wearing this out in public, little babies, of course, but I've also seen adults wearing a very similar one. So it looks like the yarn they used for this was the Red Heart with Love. It says, who doesn't adore this easy crochet hat and Red Heart with Love? So this is super cute. And it looks maybe like it would be tricky, but when you look at it closer, you see it's really not too bad. I mean, it looks like you've got some round circle ones that you're going to crochet, like, whoops, for the eyes and these little ears. And this looks like it's just a few double crochets maybe into one stitch to make that triangle. Simple braid for the side straps. Yeah, don't be afraid of this. Don't be afraid at all. It looks really cute. All right. Red Heart with Love. That's some soft yarn. Okay, next we have the Ladybug Baby Cocoon. So if you want your baby to look like a ladybug, this might be a good project for you. It looks really snuggly, doesn't it? It says baby will be snug as a bug in this sweet cocoon. Sometimes when the babies are little, they still like to be, swaddled up nice and tight. So this says, baby will be snug as a bug in this sweet cocoon, crocheted in a soft yarn. It's perfect for photo moments and for keeping baby feeling secure and cozy. This has a skill level rating of easy, and it's so cute. And I'm guessing that the little dots are probably just, basic flat circles, very easy to make. After you've made one, you can make them with confidence. You could, of course, make them in different colors as well, if you didn't want the classic red and black. All right, next we have the Rainbow Stripe Baby Blanket. And it looks like this is another pattern that features the Ogo. Let's take a peek. Okay, so it looks like it's maybe made of squares that are pieced together. I'm not sure though. I love the stripes in the middle. It's really pretty. But it does look like they're blocks that are pieced together. It's listed in a skill level of easy, and it says stimulate baby senses with this cheerful crochet blanket from Red Heart Super Saver Ogo. Okay. Very nice. Let's check out our next pattern. I love to make baby blankets. I just don't have too many babies to make them for. Okay, so this one is the Free So Soft Security Blanket crochet pattern using Red Heart Baby Hugs light yarn. So this is using the Red Heart Baby Hugs. Security blankets mean so much to babies who should always feel safe, secure, and comforted. Let's begin your crochet security blanket and Red Heart Baby Hugs Light, which is OECO-TEX certified, so you know it's always safe to use. Select different shades and craft 2 of this portably sized blanket, one for home and a second that can go wherever you do. Well, that's a nice idea to make 2, like the car one and the house one. They're sweet. I want to take a look at those stitches a little closer. Very simple, but very pretty. Okay, we have one more project idea left, and this is the baby boots. They're so cute. Of course, you could make these in any color, and you could add embellishments or maybe even a little border. I could see these with like a soft white fuzzy border at the top. Make them look like Uggs. They'd be really cute. These are the Red Heart Warm Baby Boots, and it does say that the skill level for this is rated as experienced. Let's take a look at this picture so we can see the bottom and how it's constructed. A lot of times with booties, you start off with like a chain of a certain number, like 6 or 8, and then you would put a few stitches in the second chain from the hook, and then all along the one side of the chain, and then you'd put usually 3 or 4 into the last chain, and then you'd go up the other side of the chain. And then working your way around, when you get to the turn, you would maybe do like a back loop only stitch, and that's what gives it this little ridge here. And then you work your way up using some decreases in the toe area. So it can be a little tricky, but I don't think it's, that difficult after you've done it a few times and maybe watch some tutorials. But these are really cute and a great idea. Babies always need some warm feet, need some heat for those feet. So, nice little idea there. All right, so that's going to do it for the day 6 of baby patterns from Red Heart. Again, these are all free patterns, and just click my link in the description box below, and that's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. And just look for the babies, number 6, and these will be direct links. No commercials, no ads. It's wonderful. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.